Hello. Hello. Okay, na. Okay. First one. Ang kabilaan. Alam nyo na. Pumasok na kayo. Let's get ready to rumble in the jungle. Muna dito ba kasi na show of first. Ganda ng Kobe ni Kuya. Kobe. Low. Okay. Jump ball. Between 64 and 28. 67. Reptilio. Inasakay. Hindi ko makita yung number. Number 0. Revolver number 64. Number 20. To number 21. Big down. Big down. Wala. Rebound din. Big down din. Ang mga kapatid na big down. Low. Ups. 1 to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. Big down. Back shot. Wala. Rebound din big down. Big down. So number 20 to shoot. Number 2. Rebounded by number 0. Nigosa. To number 67. To number 26. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Rebounded number 0. 2 balls by number 0. To number 20. Number 20. Nakuha ni number 2. Number 20 with number 10. 10 to shoot. Ang naging off of the traveling violation. Number 67. Mr. Lee! 2 points! Iba talaga. Iba talaga ang rebounding na power. Number 20. Nakuha din. Number 10. Big down. Big down. Sinasakay ito kasi off of the step on the line. Tinawag ng ating referee. So, number 26. 26. Binasa. Jarang na papasahan. Kay Mr. Lee. Alun pass. Put this game spot to your right. SSA. Alumni Basketball League Tornado Cup. Alun to Mr. Lee 2 points. It's showtime. 3 points. Bang, bang, bang. Big down. Bumawi sa 3. O 3. Smash. To number 26, to number 0, to Mr. Lee. Check ball. Save ball. And to shoot. And to shoot. Number 67. Binasakay number 5. Number 5. Napalakas ang tira ng wali. Black ball. Number 20. Number 20, nagtatala ng bola sa number 20. Pinasakay ng down. Yung first ball is scoring down. Number 67, Rampilio. 26, pinasakay ni Mr. Lee. So number 5, Mendoza. 2 balls by Mendoza. Number 20. Number 20, to number 21. Number 67. 67, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Mendoza. 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 Pinasa kay Steph number 0. Grabe din violation. Number 10. Number 20. Number 64, pumasok. Kung Almolina. Pupos tayo siya, Almolina. Ang ganda ng COVID-9 mo, kuya. This game is brought to you by 39-90. Number 67, Del Pino. To Mendoza. So, number, black shot. 7 to shoot. Mr. Lee, alley-oop again! Don't pass by Mr. Lee. This game is brought to you by Korean Leonga, SSA Alumni Basketball League Season 1. Wala, rebound din number 64, pumasok. So, out, suspare. 64, change time. Number 64, first personal foul, first team foul. Substitution po tayo, mandatory. Ang lupit po talaga, Mr. Lee. Ikaw na. Mendoza. Mendoza. Pinasa kay number 25. To number 8. Mr. Lee. Ayun na. Napalakas. Ang tira. And to shoot. And to shoot po tayo. 5 minutes and 1 seconds. Official time. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Mendoza. Pumila sa 3. Wala naman ni Mr. Lee. Palok. Mr. Lee ulit. Up. Move on. Iba ka na siya. Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee. 2 points by Mr. Lee. So number 5. Galve. Pumila sa 3. Wala. Kinulog sa lakas. Rebound din. Higwit. Up. Grabe violation. Score po natin, 12-7 in favor of blue team. Nakuha na number 26. Nakuha ni Higwit. Pinasa kay Pineda Balls. 65. Higwit. Okay. Number 26. Ay, 25. 25. Nakuha ni. Anong number mo? Number 3, Pineda. Pinasa kay number 5. Wala. Number 5 pa rin. Wala pa rin. Number 5 pa rin. 2 points. This game brought to you by Malunggay Pagkisan. By Lucky. Who's forward? Number 13, pushing foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. Mendoza, number 8. Ari pa naman. Number 3. Go boss by number 3. Dapat piso lang. Ginawa ni number 3. Number 26. 26. So number 9. Inasang nag-arap na papasahan, o, teka lang, relax lang daw. Right in. Layap! May mali Mr. Lee! Wap! Ano tawag rin? Number 8. So number 22. Wala, rebound. Number 7. Season 1. Now pass. It's showtime. Bandes. So number 3, number 3. Number 3. Up. Traveling violation. Tayo. Luton. Ang lupit naman yun. Doon sa kabila, aliyom. Sa kabila, lapas. Saan ka pa? Ba? Okay. Pineda. Pineda to number 5. Putol. Number 26. Pineda. Dahil to shot. Dalvin, berlapas tayo Higwit. Higwit. Nakuha ko ni Stanley. Takbo sa open pa. Oh! Ayun lang. Paulus Paulet. Number 13. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Nagkasyotan na naman. Ang kinikilalang Hanamichi Sakuragi ng SSA. Nasirni. Nasirni, Pedro. Wala. Number 22. Mr. Lee, second try. Pumasok. 1 out of 2. Quick throw. Nakuha din. Dibesa. All 15 ang ating score. Walang laban, walang tabak. In favor of tabla. Number 5. Number 5. Nakagawa din number 5 pa rin. Ingrid. Pineda. Pineda. Change favor. Active na po ang naman. To number 25, to number 8, to number 22, Mr. Lee! Punta tayo namin. Not today by number 19. 36 seconds. Ayaw pa sa naman! Wala! Ibang Lee! Kanya pa rin! Mr. Lee! 2 points. Rebound second. Gamit. Nakuha ni number 8. 20 seconds. Bandes. Pinasakay up. Kick ball. Number 25. To number 8. To number Nicosa. Pinasakay Mr. Lee. Pinasakay. Sumabit ka pa. Number 13, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. At may kasama pang foul. Sumabit ka pa. Ilupit ko talaga, Mr. Lee. Iyon na lang ang score. 5 seconds to shoot.